Alright. Welcome back everyone to Toyo's channel. Today I'm going to stop playing Monster Hunter for a bit, just to show you guys what I've got in the post. I have the Digimon Vital Bracelet behind me. This is the latest iteration of the Digimon devices. Remember the days when we had the 3-button little devices, then evolved to the Pendulum series with that little metal ball inside and you basically have to shake it. People around you will often get you wrong, like, what's he shaking? As you can see, I've got two identical black versions behind me, so one of them is for my friend, and also both of them comes with the premium, which includes the black raw. Dim cards are where you have the different series of Digimons. In short, you can treat it as another device because remember when we're small, when I was small, when we had the different Digimons, you have to buy the different versions with different themes and different monsters. I started on the third one with the Digimon on the front. For the Pendulum ones, I started to question myself, do I need that many devices? But after I got the version 2, the Sabers or something with the dolphin on the front, as well as the Nightmare Soldiers on the third Pendulum, I had no clue what they were doing with the Digimon devices. After that, I do still play the games from time to time. Back then on my PS1 there was the Digimon World, sheer quality of how you can evolve the town after battling specific Digimons. Anyway, that topic for another time. So today I'm going to get opening and let you guys know what I think of the device. And as usual, I'll really appreciate your likes for this video if you do like it, because it would really help the channel out and also means a lot to me that you guys are enjoying my content. Let's get opening. As you know, one of them is for my friend, so I'll remove one of the packs first. There we go. And the box is quite nice. It's in matte kind of finish on the surface with a thin plastic coating, and also you can see the watch in action. So there's the Digimon for this specific one, this lightning guy here, as you can see with the starter guide. It detects your vital signs, for example your heartbeat, how many steps you are walking per day, and also shows you the time, etc. And on the side it will be synced with the touch links, the card devices machine in Japan, and also you can link it with the app, which I need to download. On the back there isn't much, the usual warning signs, etc. And on the other side it shows you that you can pop in the DIM card. All these Vital Bracelets, it does come with the Impulse City card, so which is for this new kind of lime green Digimon here. And on the top it shows you what's in the box. So again, the lime green Digimon, sorry I don't know the name of it yet. The USB cable, the DIM card, and also the watch itself. So let's have a look at the DIM card first. The DIM card, well, not the DIM card itself, but the bigger card, similar to your other thin cards. It's quite thin and really bendy. Digital monster, nothing much here. And on the front, this is what the new Digimon can be evolved to, and this one is the Impulse City card. The design of it is pretty much like a normal phone SIM card, as you would, and it's quite handy in terms of how you can slot it back in if you're not using it and just want to keep it there for your display. Well, this one is the VS memory. For the VS memory, I think this is where you have to plug in your Digimon, take it out and put it into this kind of card thing and then pop it into someone else's watch, which is definitely not that user-friendly, but this is how they designed it, so I don't think they will change it in the short term. Moving on to watch. Okay, so you can literally see my fingerprint from when I was getting it out. On the side, this is where you can pop in your DIM card. So you would essentially open it like this, yep. And this is exactly where the DIM card would go. And also on the other side, it's the usual buttons with your Digimon devices, similar to back in the old days. This little dot thing detects your vital signs, i.e. your heartbeat and your movements. The device, the power button on the back, so that's where you turn it on. Okay, so the top one is to select, and middle one, of course, it's for charging, and the bottom one is for confirm. Next up, we've got the Digimon starter guide. Actually, this piece is from the premium, so you have to pre-order it to get the Black Raw DIM card, and it's for the Metal Greymon, which is one of my favorite Digimons. Also, the War Greymon is one of my favorite as well as the Omegamon. So if you want to watch my unboxing, please go to the link below. I'll put it there for you guys. The starter guide, it introduces you to the Vital Bracelet. It takes you through with the history of the Digimon devices, and yep, these were the ones I got back in the day, so 97, 98 with the normal digital monster device, as well as the Digimon pendulum, and I stopped thereafter. So on here, it does tell you quite a few bits. Basically, from the infant stage to the infant 2 stage, it will take around 1 to 3 hours respectively. And then the rookie stage would be 16 hours, adult stage is 24 hours, and the ultimate is question mark. You can see the Agumons evolve flying. And essentially have a preview of what Digimons you get. Agumon card, and this is the one that I really want to get. The retweets, and they gave out 5,000 of these. Also promoting other products, of course. Digimon cards, I haven't collected them in more than a decade now. Action figures, so these are the tiny mini figures I've got here for Metal Greymon, as you can see from the first wave. These other figures that you can assemble, similar to Gundams. And also bottom, you get the Gachapon figures on the left, and also the Band Presto prizes. You've got the Barusumon card here, and yeah, for those of you who are still into Digimon cards, not just Pokemon cards, this will be a worthwhile thing for you guys. I still love the design of the Metal Greymon, it's just one of the best. And this one just happens to have a serial number, so I guess it's the batch they've made for these premium DIM cards. Okay, so 2021, confirm the Sleep Bomb one. Ah, okay. Bracelet, so essentially that took like 30 seconds or so. First impression, it's not the comfiest of things, it's really thick, and Yeah, I just need to get out more to kind of see how I feel about it, but at the moment it's not feeling too great, but I think it's just a matter of time before I get used to it. Yep, you can change the different backgrounds. I kind of like the blue, but this one gives the better vibe. It's got a slightly better design. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sound. If I'm in the office, I can't let people know I'm pressing my Digimon, so let's turn that off. What's that cross thing? Or reset? No, it's like status, and I just gotta move around more first. The heartbeat, steps I've taken, also the Digimon, the elemental at the top, and days I've had it. I've just opened it, so 0. Yep. And also training, can't do anything yet. Yep, so it's pretty straightforward. Oh, and also there's the app where you can take out your Digimon and dump it onto your phone. So I will try that out later. I will be taking it out for a test drive because I need to show you how it works, and so stay tuned for that. And until then, I'll still be playing on Monster Hunter Rise, and you can check out my other videos if you do want to watch my Monster Hunter related videos. And here is a playlist down in the description below, so you can find everything there. Please kindly leave a like down below here. Also subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and see ya!